Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna teach you the things to do after installing Ubuntu for the first time, so watch the video till last second. First thing to do is to update the system to latest version. So, search software updater. It will automatically scan for updates. You can also customize the software updater settings. Updating the system can take a while depending on internet speed. You can also update and upgrade the system using these commands. One of the most important thing to do is to enable system backup. You can select the folder you want to back up. You can also exclude the folder you don't want. You can back up your files to Google Drive, or you can just create or select a directory in which you want store backup. So, let me create a folder to store my backup. You can also create a password to secure your backup folder. Updating and installing additional drivers is also as important as other. It will automatically search for missing drivers, and allows you to install. Minimizing won't work on clicking icon and org in Ubuntu. Let me show you here. Let me show you how to enable click to minimize on Ubuntu. We need to run a command to enable it. Now, you can see, the on-click minimize will work. gnome-tweaks enables you to customize your Ubuntu system even more, so it is very useful software. To install it, open the terminal and run these commands. Now open Tweaks, and customize your system as you like. You can customize fonts, applications icon, dork view, pretty much everything as per your requirement. Enabling night light isn't that tough. If you are a beginner you might have problem with it, so let me show you. Go to the display inside settings, you can see night light option here. You can run it on, and customize it as per requirement. Enabling battery percentage display. It is very helpful and pretty practical, so you can enable it by going to battery settings. ubuntu-cleaner is a tool that makes it easy to clean your Ubuntu system. Ubuntu-cleaner can free up disk space and remove private information from your computer. You need to run few commands to install it in your system.
Now, open Ubuntu Cleaner, and start removing unwanted files. Ubuntu-restricted-extras is a software package for the Ubuntu that allows the user to install essential software, which is not already included due to legal or copyright reasons. It may take a while depending on your internet speed. With its installation, we also get access to many fonts in our system. It also installs all media codecs, which helps all type of video and audio file to play in our system. Let me show you the fonts that got installed now with restricted package. Visual Studio Code is a code editor redefined and optimized for building and debugging modern applications. It's a basic need for one who is in developing field. Let me show you how to install it. Open the download folder and open Visual Code deb file. It will open that installation package on Ubuntu Software Store, and it will install it. Wine is a compatibility layer, capable of running Windows applications on several operating systems, such as Linux, Mac OS, and BSD. First of all, open browser and search Wine. Click on Download and choose Ubuntu. All the instructions for download, and the commands for installation are given here. Copy the commands one by one, and run it on terminal. Type the root password. Copy and run second command, which is for adding Wine repository. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me.
Now, to add the repository, first of all we need to know our system's version, so check it on Settings. Now, copy the command according to your system's version, and run it on terminal. After running this command, you need to update the system packages. You can see there are 3 different packages of Wine, since the first one is stable version, so install it. It may take a while, depending on your internet speed. You can check if Wine is installed or not using these commands. Wine is installed inside Home in a hidden folder, and it has created a virtual C drive to install Windows programs. And run a command to set up Wine. So this is the Wine interface. You don't need to do anything here, just close it for now. We are all set to use it. Let me show you by installing a Windows program. I'm gonna install WinRAR. Right-click on the Windows program which you want to install, and open it with Wine Loader. It is working fine. In this way you can run Windows program in Linux with Wine. Ubuntu Software Store is built-in application in Ubuntu. It helps you to download many useful applications. I would be showing you to download few day-to-day useful programs. So at first let's download VLC Media Player. VLC is a free multimedia player that plays most multimedia files as well as DVDs, audio CDs, VCDs, and various streaming protocols. You can also download GIMP, image editor. It is a free and very helpful tool. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot to me.